Good evening. So it's about 7 o'clock and I'm in a place called Blaen Bran, which is in Cwmbranistan. There's a little car park there. You can go up here into the nature reserve and the reservoir, and that's quite nice. And there's an old chapel here, Baptist church. So it's very Welsh feeling, it's nice. This is our local mountain, Mynydd Twyn Glas, I think it's called. So I'm starting at the bottom of a very steep road that goes up to a top car park. So if you've got kids or you're feeling like you don't want to do the full route, then you can park right at the top. Bring you back in just... So I'm doing this walk with my wife. I've started right at the bottom, partly because I like to walk a mountain from its base or a hill from its base. A bit more achievement when you get the views. I'm old and I am putting on weight, so I need the extra exercise. This is steep. Katie is young, or younger, and slim, and so doesn't require the additional exercise. So I'm going to meet her at the top car park with the dog. Oh, here we go, here they are.
Hurry up, Fatty.
Hurry up, Fatty. Yeah, fair. Right, they're going off. And I'll see them up there. Quick shout out on this video to Andy Kingdom. He's posted a great video of his local hills entitled Local Heroes. So Andy, this is our local hero. And just like you, this one kept us sane during COVID. And it was a wonderful gift. Since COVID's gone, haven't been up here much. So we should celebrate our local hills, because it was a godsend during that time. Also, congratulations Andy on completing the Hewitt. Enjoyed your video explaining in real depth about what the Hewitts are, what you'll experience on the challenge, the weather, the kit, the technical difficulties, the navigation. And there was one key thing though that I remembered you teaching us on that video about the Hewitts, and that was to keep Mrs. Kingdom happy. What's more important than that? We're still on the mountain road, some beautiful trees lining it. Really nice. And here's the ridge. The pylon there is kind of on the way towards the summit. It's kind of the eastern top. So we should not be long until we're on the open moorland. I've just liaised in the top car park. This is it. There's really good views just from here actually. Straight on the track. There's Kate. Is this your favourite hill, Kate?
I do like this hill, yeah.
Or Mynydd Van's your favourite, isn't it?
Yeah.
In this area.
This one's nice because it's just near our house and it's relatively easy but good value for views.
Yeah. It's literally 5 minutes drive from our house, which is great. All full of bracken today. And I'm going to hit this path now. I'll bring you back in a minute. Great views already of the Severn Estuary. We'll zoom in a bit. Holm Islands, the Spit at Weston, Sand Point, Crook Peak, over towards Cotswolds and Bath. And yeah, really good. This direction you can see over towards Edmund's Tump. So there's two routes up. There's a direct steeper route that is over that way, and there's a side path. So I prefer the side path because it's a bit more gentle and the views are better on the way up, certainly towards the sea. And Kate prefers the straight, steeper path, just as she likes the heating on in the car in all weather conditions, and I like ice cold air conditioning in the car in all weather conditions. She likes white, I only like red wine. So there you go. But I've won today with the side path. small victories, got to count them. So we're still headed up the side path. Pretty steep, but great sea views. It's Holm Islands, Sand Point I think it is in Weston, Crook Peak there, and Beacon Batch, the Black Dam, and Mendips, highest point, and views into Cwmbran, featuring the tower, which is one of our sightseeing places, a bit like the Eiffel Tower, and we've got Kate admiring the view. So we're on to the open moorland. That's where we come from. So we soon say goodbye to the sea views. And on this side we pick up views of the entire Brecon Beacons, all the way from Carmarthenshire to the Skirrid. It's a remarkable viewpoint. It's probably, I'd say arguably, the best viewpoint in the whole of the Valleys Hills. That might be controversial, might be biased, but I think it is, definitely. We're on the very eastern edge of the valleys. It's lovely here in September and late August, because all this purple flower. That's a nice view there into the beacons. We'll sort of get a better one on the way down. Probably about 5 minutes now to the trig point. 478 meters, I think. There we go, at the trig. Tap. So this bench is new, and I was having a chat with Kev, who's channel Walking Kev, and he said that each one is numbered. This is 168, and there's a guy that has installed 200 of these on the valley's best viewpoints and tops. This has only been new, I think, here a year or so, so it makes a good challenge. I think he's devising a challenge maybe to walk all of the 200 benches. So that'll be a tough one for sure. I'm going to get the other camera and just zoom in for a little bit of the view. So quick zoom, that's the Black Mountain, Van Brahiniog, and then Van Neth I think, or Van Vower, something like that, Pen y Fan, Cribbin, that's the Domen Vower where we were before, last time, there, down towards Ebbw Vale, Peak of Cairn, Mynydd James I think that is, or could be Mynydd Carna Kevin, and then over towards Coity Mountain.
Skirrid over there?
Yeah, oh that's tip of the Skirrid there, yeah. Yeah, it's good. And right in the distance you can see Penygada Vower. And that's Varteg Mountain there, Varteg Vower, and that's Varteg Vach there. Amazing views. And then this side, Edmund's Tump. And sea views which we've shown you, and Tumbarlam, and Macon as well there. The pylons are a bit unaesthetic, but it is what it is. So this second bench has been burnt by some sort of barbecue. That's a completely just indescribable words in terms of that mentality. Just quick views from here, Pen y Fan, tall Vine Hills, high Black Mountains, Blorange, great view of the Blorange. You see the Sugarloaf? No. Tip of the Skirrid, down into Pontypool, and then Edmund's Tump there, and possibly Garway Hill there. There's the pylon. I'm going to head down in a minute. So we're just saying goodbye to the views and heading down. through the bracken. And that has been an absolutely lovely walk. It was really nice to spend some time together and to have a babysitter as well, the in-laws, so thanks to them. And there's a short but quite a little steep descent now just down to the car park. So we'll see you next time. I hope you enjoyed it. That's bye for now.